All right, so the first application we are going to be using, or actually the second for the second activity, is Google Drawing. So the first thing we're going to do is put our topic in here, which for this activity is the history of sports venues. So now we got that in there. For the activity, you are required to do three different places and interesting facts about each. So first of all, you're gonna look right here where it says shapes. So the idea of a mind map is to make a web that explains a certain topic. So we're gonna start out with one main square here, or rectangle. And you could align this by using these red lines here that show up, getting it right in the middle. Or you could use the arrange tool up here and have it centered horizontally or vertically. After that, you're going to double tap inside the box and you're going to want to add your topic. Now we have that. Center that using all the tools up top here. They're all the same as, all these tools are the same as regular Google Docs or similar to Microsoft Word. After that, we're going to use this line tool here to make a line from the center box out to the next box, which is going to be your, so you're going to make that line to the next box, which is going to be your first stadium. So you put that there, and then you put in, say, Memorial Coliseum, for example. That goes in there. I'm going to center this as well. Make it a little bigger. And then from there, you can do the same thing again with another line. And this is going to branch out, since you have to do multiple interesting facts, you're going to branch it out multiple times like this and add even more boxes or circles or whatever shape you choose to pick from up here. Any of them will work for this activity. But I'm going to stick with pretty generic shapes up here. So we're going to do this, make that right there, connect it to the line, make another one right here. Oops. We're going to make another box over here. And then we're going to do one more down here. All right, so this is just the general setup of this Google Drawing here that you're going to have to do. And this is only one branch of it. So you're going to have this one, and then you're going to have one more over here, and then one more down here. Or you could arrange it however you want. Then in each of these boxes, you're going to do a different fact about each stadium. So you're going to have three different stadiums, three facts about each. And this is just a very basic setup with colors and shapes and everything. As you can see, there are tons of different colors over here. You could fill this you can make it darker blue, or you can make it just clear, solid white. And then you could also change the border color as well right here to make it look a little better. In addition to that, you could change the word color. Over here, like I said, it's very similar to Google Docs. That'll work the same way. You could also change the color of your lines. So everything you could customize in different ways. You could change the shapes again. Not change this. Go back into shapes. And it's a pretty basic setup. And the mind map should be pretty easy to complete.